Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make a spaghetti alla vongole. So first off, the ingredients. Right here I have 200 grams of dry pasta. This will be enough for about 2 servings. 1 kilogram or 2 pounds of fresh clams. The great thing about Thailand is that, as you can see, these clams, they're moving, they're alive, they're fresh. These are never frozen and they came from the coast of Thailand. And I have 4 large garlic cloves, which I'm going to chop up later. And here is a teaspoon of dried chili flakes. Plus, there's one special ingredient I'm not going to show you yet, but it is sort of widely used in many Italian pasta cooking, and it's going to definitely make this dish a whole lot better. So first things first, let's start making a sauce. Okay, I already chopped up my garlic into little thin chunks and slices like this. This is actually coriander because parsley is hard to find in Thailand. But for simplicity's sake, let's just pretend that this is parsley, okay? Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on my heat to a medium-high. And one of the secrets to a very good pasta sauce is you have to add a lot of extra virgin olive oil. And that's what restaurants do to make a very, very tasty pasta dish. So I'm gonna add to my pan about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Extra virgin olive oil, that is. Then I'm gonna throw in my garlic. Cook those up a bit. Drop in my chili powder or chili flakes. I'm gonna wait until my garlic turns slightly brown, like that, and then I add in my clams. Plus half a cup of white wine. And quickly toss these around. Oh, it smells so good already. And look, you can see my clam starting to pop open. And I'm gonna cover this for a minute just to let the clam steam. Okay, my pasta is almost ready. I prefer to add my pasta into the clams 2 minutes before my pasta is done because the pasta is gonna continue cooking in this sauce. So one key tip about making very good pasta is to add enough salt into your boiling water. Now the Italians, they love to add enough salt so that the water tastes like seawater. You don't need to go that crazy, but just make sure that the water is salty enough so that your pasta is well flavored. I'm gonna lower my fire to a medium low. And here is my secret ingredient. About a tablespoon or so of butter. That's right, butter. Yep, butter. So this dish originated in Campania, Italy, which is South Italy, but butter is used in North Italian cooking. And the butter, whoops, let me just get in and throw in my parsley. Now what the butter is gonna do is it's gonna combine with the wine, with the olive oil, as well as the pasta water, which I'm gonna add right now. I'm gonna add 1 cup of pasta water. And it's gonna make a really delicious clam sauce. Oh, check that out. Because the starch from the pasta water is gonna help thicken up the sauce. You see that? You see all that juice there? That is just pure golden loveliness. I'm gonna turn off the heat right now. And I know you're looking at all these clams and you're like, Wally, would you like any spaghetti with your clams? But seriously, all these clams is gonna flavor the sauce, you know, because when you eat this, you really, really wanna taste the clams, am I right? Right. Now, besides the butter, I also have another ingredient that will heighten up the taste of this pasta. And that is lemons. Squeeze my lemons in. Ho, 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 ho. This is gonna be so good, I tell you. And then finally, just another topping of extra virgin olive oil. Oh, check that out. Take out my bowl. Dripping wet with sauce, just the way I like it. And some clams. Putting a lot of clams. And then like to add another layer of pasta like that. And then more clams. You know, don't you hate it when you go to a restaurant and you have to like dig around for clams? You know, you put this much clams in this, I guarantee you, you're not gonna have that problem at home. I'm gonna hit it with a dash of black pepper, a tad more chili powder, and a little dash of parsley. And then because I have so much of that delicious clam juice, you gotta add it in. You gotta put more of that clam juice in. Because the sauce makes or breaks this dish. There you have it. Spaghetti Allle Vongole. Time to go in for a taste. Look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? You can see that the spaghetti is coated with the butter and all the sauces, the olive oil. Oh man. So garlicky. So if you never made spaghetti vongole before, or if you made it without adding butter or lemon, try it. I'm telling you, it's gonna bring you spaghetti vongole to a whole different level. So I hope to see you all again next time. Take care and goodbye.